Hey, what's up, guys? We're going to do another little box break here. Went back to Target. I got 3 boxes of authentic memorabilia. These two, one football, one baseball, each have one uh, memorabilia card in it, plus a couple packs. This one has one football autograph. Never opened one of these before, so we'll see what kind of card we get on that. So stand by. I'll bust them open and see what we get. Alright, guys, let's see what we got here. Here's the hits we got. We got Melky Cabrera, game used bat. We got a Lavernius Coles jersey. And you see he was traded to the Jets, but he's actually wearing the Redskins uniform. That's a 2005 Throwback Threads. And the autograph card, we got Greg Little, Upper Deck World of Sports auto. It's from 2011 Upper Deck. We got some inserts. I got Jesse working the camera, so we got a Gold Standards Joe DiMaggio insert, Mound Dominance Dennis Eckersley, StarQuest A-Rod, Franchise All-Stars Carlos Stanton and Jose Fernandez, Bowman Chrome card. Alright. Back to the football, we got a Gridiron Force Todd Heap. Got 2 Michael Floyd throwback cards. Alright. In the zone, Mike Tolbert. Got a Terry Bradshaw card. It's an immortal. Sorry for the shaky camera work. We got a 6-year-old holding the camera this time. Say hello, Jesse.
Hello.
Alright. And finally, we got a Gridiron Football Arms Race with Aaron Rodgers. Alright. And here's the rookies we got. Keyshawn Martin, Dwight Bentley, RG3 rookie. I'll probably send that one off to be graded. Maybe. Whitney Merciless, Bobby Wagner, Cyrus Gray, Little Michael James, Isaiah Peed, and Dre Kirkpatrick. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for that break. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Yeah. Alright. Me and Jesse signing off.